Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report income from a trust fund on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. A couple of I think I got like 6 steps for you guys, so I'm just going to walk you through each step to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is to gather necessary documents. So you want to go ahead and collect your trust fund income statements, distribution receipts, as well as other relevant documents such as your trust documents. And once you have those, next step is going to be to log into Turbotax. So go on to Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And third step is to choose trust income from the income menu, and then select the trust fund that you want to report. Fourth step is going to be to enter your trust income information, including your income, your distributions, and other relevant details. The fifth step is going to be to claim any related deductions such as trust expenses or charitable donations. And the final step is going to be to review your trust fund income report just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a trust fund on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.